In today's video, we are going to learn about sequence function in Microsoft Excel. Consider that you want to type day 1, day, right? And then what you want to do is you want to fill it for certain number of, correct? So you can just select it and then drag it to the number of rows where you want to write all this data. The other way is that you can use equals to, double quotes, day, space, double quotes closed, and then and. Now let's use sequence function here. Here you need to specify the number of rows where you want to write the numbers along with day, comma, 1, comma, 1. And then close the brackets and hit enter. Now here you can see that it is written as day 1, day 2, day 3 till day 15, right? Please like this video and subscribe the channel.